When you first install pressSIGN 10, one of the things that you might want to try to do is rebuild your database, which will just clean up the database for pressSIGN and maybe make it work a little bit quicker and smoother. The way you do this is go to the File menu, to the Backup and Restore option. The Backup Restore option opens, showing you all of your previous backups. You can then click on the Rebuild button, and you have an option to rebuild both the database and the jobs, or simply the database. We recommend updating the database. This can take a long time if you have a large database of jobs. Once your database has been updated, pressSIGN will present the main login window for you to log in once more.